Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 5th. Time is around 6:50 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. We will do a quick update. Not much has changed compared to yesterday, so if you want to have more details, please have a look at my yesterday's video. I think the key points for the Dow Jones are that we are at a reversal area. Here we are at the wave 2 area. We are also here at the equal leg area of our wave C. If we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then you see that we arrived here in this area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension. This is typically where a wave C is ending. So I would expect a reversal from this area. What we also see on the 4-hour is that, if we analyze this here as an impulse, that we have divergence, or wave 3 is situated here, or wave 5, or the wave 5 we're doing is this part here. We see divergence. So these are signs for a reversal. At the same time, we cannot neglect that in the daily, we are clearly bearish here, being in this bearish downward cycle, and also in the weekly or trend line here broke. So this is also a bearish sign. So if we would not start to reverse from here, then my secondary scenario would play out, and this is a scenario that I discuss in more detail in the higher time frame. But it would mean that we make this wave 2 low right here, so that we take out this low here, and then the way to go there would be as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this becomes an expanded flat here, and then we have here a C wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. And so for now, we're looking at this area. Do we start to reverse from here or not? If we look at the lower time frame, so we are working here on this fifth wave. Again, I believe there are two possibilities. Like, it might be that the low is in, then it looks like my scenario here in red. Then the wave 1 is situated here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could also be, as indicated in green, that this is the 1, the 2, and that this is our wave 3 here. We are currently doing the wave 4, and we are making another low as a fifth wave. That's also a possibility. I do not really have a preference for one of the two scenarios here. I would just like to see some reversal. Is it from here? Is it from after another low? That's also okay. That does not really change the reversal scenario, I would say. So from this area, a reversal, if we do not start to reverse, then then I believe we have to go for more downside. And then this scenario here, the C wave of the expanded flat is playing out. 1, 2, we are working on a wave 3. Can be an extended wave. Wave 3, we have to analyze this later then in more detail. A 4 and a 5 down to finish a wave C. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.